What's going on, guys? In this video I will show you a new tool to erase your iOS device without restoring your device. This tool will allow you to delete all device data easily without having to update or restore your device to the latest version. This tool works on all devices that support checkrain, and it supports iOS 12 up to iOS 14. This tool is Xeraser. This tool is completely free. Okay guys, after downloading the tool, unzip the file. Now you will find Xeraser tool. Here there is an important information that you should know, which is that the tool should be on your desktop. If you move the tool to applications folder, the tool will not work for you, so make sure to place the tool on your desktop. Also, don't change the name of the tool. If you change the name of the tool, it will not work and you will face some errors. Okay, now open the tool. As you can see, this is the tool. Okay, now the first step you need to do here is to jailbreak your device with checkrain. Okay, now open checkrain program. Okay guys, as you see here, my device is on disabled mode. This tool works on all modes. Okay, now I will connect my device. Now I will jailbreak my device with checkrain. Okay guys, I will speed up the video. Okay, now after completing the jailbreak, now go back to Xeraser tool. Now make sure that your device is connected to your Mac. Okay guys, all you have to do now is click on Erase Phone. Now wait a few minutes. Also, don't disconnect your iOS device from your Mac or restart your iOS device. If you are on iOS 12, it may take some time. As you can see here, it has been successfully completed. If 10 minutes have passed and your device has not been wiped, then try again. As you can see here, my device is now being reset. Now wait a few minutes. As you can see, my device was reset and all data in my device was wiped easily with just one click. Now complete the setup on your iOS device. As you can see, I'm on the home screen and I'm still on iOS 12.4.5. This tool is very useful if you want to delete all device data without updating your device to the latest version or doing a restore for your device. This tool is very useful if your device is stuck in disabled mode and you want to stay on the version you have on your iOS device without updating to the latest version. Okay guys, you will find the download link below this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.